Please do come along on Wednesday to this seminar that I'm speaking at in Erbil at the Hiwa Centre the day after tomorrow, and it's entitled The Amazing Story of the Kurdish Dictionary. Now, perhaps the most famous and greatest dictionary ever in history is the Oxford English Dictionary. You can see a little picture of it here, this massive multi-volume dictionary. But many people don't know the story behind this dictionary. I've read about it in this book. And yes, there were experts like Dr. James Murray who wrote the dictionary, but there were also ordinary people who sent in millions of examples of the use of the English language. And this is what is happening today with the Kurdish language. Yes, it's true that people like Saladin and Kamran Buti, they have done amazing work on the Kurdish language, and Mohammed Emin Doski as well. But today it is people like you who are inputting examples of the way that you use your language that is making Wikiferheng the 12th largest dictionary in the world. It is an amazing achievement of the Kurdish people. So please come and have lunch with us in Erbil at the Hiwa Centre, and let's hear about this great dictionary and how you can help to make it a truly comprehensive dictionary of all of the varieties of Kurdish. So if you're a friend and someone who loves the Kurdish language, please do come and join us.